I'm Stephen Lawlor. We're just outside Navan in County Meath. We're farming 500 acres with 300 cows milked on an indoor robotic system. We rear all replacements ourselves on the farm, and we grow about 60 acres of maize silage. Well, we went for slurry separation because we're doing a multi-cut, 4-cut multi-cut system, and we find that after spreading the slurry with the trailing shoe, there's a lot of lines of fibre left in the grass, which comes back in the silage 5 weeks later, which seems to cause a problem with mycotoxins in the silage. So we wanted to get rid of that, and separation seemed to be the way to go to get rid of that problem. Since we installed the separator last July, this is our first year spreading the separated slurry. Slurry contractor is able to spread at twice as fast as the ordinary slurry because there's no fibres in it. We've tested the slurry and there's 15 units of available nitrogen per 1,000 gallons of slurry. So every 3,000 gallons that leaves the yard is the same as buying a bag of urea. We have the pile then of solids then we can spread onto the ground at the end of the year to put some organic matter back into the soil. We went for the Vogelsang system because it's very easy to maintain. It's very easy to adjust the dry matter of the solids if you want it wetter or drier. It's only adjust a few screws and it'll tighten in the screw on the press. All the spare parts are readily available and it's very easy to maintain. There's very little maintenance to be done on it. Every couple of years we'll probably have to change the screens on it, but not a big job. We've seen it done before. The pump and the separator are combined is the 13 kilowatt system. So it's very easy to run on the farm and it's not putting a major load on top of everything else on the farm at the minute. So we tested the solids coming off the separator and it's coming out at about 31% dry matter. As you can see, there is no liquids coming off. It is a very dry product, which we will spread onto the ground then at the end of the year. This field was spread 2 days ago at 3,000 gallons to the acre with the trailing shoe. As you can see, there's no fibre whatsoever left on the grass, and whatever slurry is there now will be taken up by the grass within the next couple of days.